is Neliseth Sugal and earning units from KCST. Today, I will be having a teaching demonstration, and the main objective of my demonstration for today is that at the end of the lesson, students are expected to differentiate active from passive voice. Construct the sentence in an active and passive voice, or and to share to the class the importance in studying the correct foundation in terms of sentence construction. Alright, now let's start. Good morning, class. Yes, Maurice, please lead a prayer. Amen. Once again, good morning. So, how are you doing today? Oh, that's great that you're going good today. Uh, once Now let me check your attendance. Very good, perfect attendance. Yes, before we will start our discussion for this morning, who can recall what was our last topic? Okay, very good. Our last topic was about action word. So, our topic for today is about active and passive voice. So, alright, active and passive voice are two special forms of verb. There are two types of verb. The first is the active. We define first the voice of verb. It shows whether the subject is the doer, performer, or the receiver. So, we have to differentiate the active and passive voice. So, what is active voice? Active voice is a verb that is active if its subject perform the action. So, we have two examples. Okay, can read, Ken bought a new computer. So, the subject is Ken and the object is computer. The next one, Billy delivers the clarinet. Our subject is Billy and our object is clarinet. So, we have passive voice. Now, let's have the second type of voice. We have the passive voice. Alright, passive voice is opposite to active voice. In passive voice, a verb is passive if its action is performed upon the subject. Alright, we have an example. A new computer was bought by Ken. The object, same with the active voice. Okay, we have here the ways of changing active to passive. Yes, can you read this one? Very good. We have an example. Carl cooks adobo. This is the active voice. Passive, adobo is cooked by Carl. Same with this second example. Second is ways of changing passive to active voice. Okay, class, can we read this one? Oh, very good. So that's all for today. Is there any question, clarifications? Okay. Before we end this meeting, if you really understand the lesson, can you get 1/2 sheet of pad paper and do this one. So, pass the paper in front. So next, your assignment to be passed tomorrow. Please copy it. Okay.